If you love spending time in the kitchen and experimenting with new recipes, the right gadgets can make the experience even more enjoyable. In this video, we'll show you 22 must-have kitchen gadgets to elevate your cooking. Let's get started. Designed to complement any kitchen or dining table, these grinders come in versatile colors that are sure to enhance your dining aesthetic. Engineered with a reinforced ceramic grinding core, these mills deliver consistent performance and durability. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, making grinding effortless with a smooth twisting mechanism that requires minimal effort. Whether you prefer fine or coarse seasoning, the adjustable grinding settings allow you to customize your spice output with ease. Crafted from premium heat-resistant silicone that can withstand temperatures up to 446 bars, these spatulas are designed to protect your non-stick cookware while delivering exceptional cooking results. The ergonomic wooden handle provides a secure, comfortable grip, making cooking a joy rather than a chore. Available in vibrant colors, these spatulas not only perform beautifully, but also add a splash of personality to your kitchen. With a seamless design that ensures easy cleanup, these spatulas are perfect for bakers, home chefs, and cooking enthusiasts. Featuring a unique side-laminated process using 3 times more bamboo than traditional boards, these cutting boards offer unparalleled durability and resistance to warping. The design includes a 360-degree rotating stand with 4 rubber mats, allowing you to easily dry and store your boards while keeping them off the countertop. With 4 sizes ranging from XL to S, these versatile boards are perfect for everything from slicing whole meats to chopping vegetables and fruits. Designed with innovation in mind, this versatile drawer organizer expands from 2 to 3 compartments, adapting to drawers ranging from 8.9 to 14.4 inches wide. Crafted from BPA-free PP material, this organizer provides a safe and smart storage solution for all your cooking essentials. Its sturdy design features connected dividers and a robust support frame that keeps your utensils neatly in place. Whether you're storing spatulas, ladles, tongs, or mixers, the ample compartments ensure everything has its perfect spot. Crafted from premium solid bamboo, this organizer combines natural beauty with exceptional functionality. Designed with flexibility in mind, the organizer expands from 13.7 inches to 25.6 inches, seamlessly fitting into your cabinet space. Its high-rise dividers and deep U-shaped compartments are engineered to handle heavy cookware, providing efficient storage for frying pans, skillets, plates, and lids. Available in natural bamboo, white, or black finishes, this organizer not only maximizes your kitchen's storage potential, but also enhances its aesthetic appeal. Designed with versatility in mind, this dish rack extends from 11 inches to 19.3 inches to accommodate your changing storage needs, then folds compactly for easy storage when not in use. Crafted from food-safe stainless steel with non-slip rubber feet, this dish rack is built to last. Its compact design efficiently holds up to 9 plates, multiple glasses, cups, and bowls, making it perfect for small kitchens, apartments, and dorm rooms. The removable 2-slot utensils holder with drainage holes keeps your silverware dry and organized. Designed to complement bar counters between 41 and 43 inches high, these 3 backless stools are engineered to transform your space with their sleek and versatile design. Built with a sturdy metal base, each stool boasts an impressive weight capacity of up to 300 pounds, ensuring durability and reliability for daily use. The innovative saddle-shaped seat is a game-changer, meticulously crafted to promote proper posture and provide unparalleled comfort that conforms to your body's natural curves. Space-saving and practical, these bar stools effortlessly tuck under the counter when not in use. Crafted from premium food-grade borosilicate glass, this oil bottle is designed to transform your cooking and dining experience. Say goodbye to messy, dripping oil bottles. The Olietta's non-drip glass spout ensures precise drizzling, keeping your countertops clean and your cooking controlled. Available in 3 convenient sizes, it's perfect for everything from salad dressings to meal preparation and even homemade infused oils. Hygienic and thoughtfully designed, this oil dispenser effectively seals out air to preserve your oil's freshness and quality. This elegant set of 5 canisters, ranging from 4 inches to 11.8 inches in height, is designed to transform your kitchen, pantry, or workspace with its sleek, see-through design. Crafted with precision, these airtight glass jars feature a bamboo lid with a silicone ring that ensures your ingredients stay fresh and protected. Whether you're storing sugar, flour, spices, or cookies, these stackable canisters keep your dry goods safe while adding a touch of sophistication to your storage. Dishwasher and microwave safe, these versatile containers are more than just kitchen storage. Use them in your kitchen, on your vanity, or in your workspace to organize small accessories. This extraordinary stovetop popcorn maker transforms your kitchen into a gourmet popcorn paradise, offering an authentic, delicious experience that rivals your favorite cinema. Featuring an extra-large 6-quart aluminum pot with a real wood handle, this popcorn maker distributes heat perfectly to ensure every kernel pops to perfection. The all-metal gears and patented stirring mechanism prevent sticking and burning, guaranteeing a consistently delicious batch every single time. Incredibly easy to use, the popper comes with a pre-measured organic popcorn kit that makes creating movie theater quality popcorn a breeze. This 9-piece collection is designed to transform your baking preparation, making measuring and storing ingredients easier than ever before. Featuring dedicated containers for flour, sugar, brown sugar, and powdered sugar, each container comes with smart design elements that elevate your baking game. Precise measurement markings and airtight silicone seals ensure your ingredients stay fresh longer, while keeping your kitchen organized and efficient. A magnetic leveler, terracotta tamper, dusting spoon, and mini dusting screen provide professional-level precision for all your baking needs. These shredding claws feature sharp, durable prongs that glide through chicken, pork, beef, and more, transforming your meal prep into a quick and easy task. Designed with comfort at its core, these shredders boast an ergonomic handle that fits naturally in your hand, reducing fatigue during extended use. Crafted from high-quality, heat-resistant materials, they're perfect for shredding piping hot meats straight from the grill without warping. Use them to lift large cuts of meat, toss salads, or stabilize food while slicing. When you're done, simply pop them in the dishwasher for hassle-free cleaning. Meticulously hand-woven by skilled artisans using 100% natural water hyacinth, these round placemats are more than just table accessories. They're a statement of style and craftsmanship. With a thick, compact weave, these placemats offer durability and elegance in one package. Non-slip and heat-resistant, they protect your precious tableware and surfaces from stains, scratches, and heat. The natural golden hue of the wicker adds a warm, rustic touch that brings you closer to nature. Made from high-quality natural bamboo with a smooth, double-layered paint finish, this organizer is both eco-friendly and durable. The innovative step design allows you to easily view and access your spices, herbs, and seasonings. 2 raised sides prevent jars from tipping over, ensuring a stable and secure storage solution. With its extendable feature, the rack adjusts from 8.74 to 15.59 inches wide, adapting perfectly to your kitchen's unique storage needs. More than just a spice rack, this versatile organizer can hold everything from spice jars and herbs to medicine bottles and cosmetics. With an impressive 20-gallon capacity, this trash can holds 50% more trash than standard models, meaning fewer trips to the garbage bin for busy families. Engineered with innovative features, this trash can goes beyond basic waste disposal. The Clorox odor protection keeps unwanted smells at bay, while the convenient rear storage compartment allows you to keep extra trash bags right at hand. Bag rings securely hold your trash bag in place, preventing messy slippage. The soft-close lid ensures quiet, controlled closure, eliminating the loud banging typical of standard trash cans. Designed to sit perfectly across 2 steps, these baskets transform unused stair space into a smart storage system that keeps your home tidy and safe. Crafted from premium linen with a supportive 3D structural panel, these baskets are both soft and durable. The broad handles, reinforced with double rivets, make carrying items up and down stairs effortless. Measuring 16-inch long, 9.4-inch wide, and 16-inch high, they're sized to fit standard stairs perfectly. Whether you're storing books, toys, laundry, or miscellaneous household items, these stair baskets prevent tripping hazards and keep your home organized. Engineered with precision microperforations, this stainless steel colander ensures fast, efficient draining without the frustration of food falling through or getting stuck. Crafted from high-quality 18/8 stainless steel with riveted handles, this colander is built to withstand the demands of both home and professional kitchens. Its innovative design features a stable draining ring base that prevents tipping and eliminates pooling water. Whether you're straining delicate grains, hearty pastas, or fresh produce, these carefully spaced holes guarantee a perfect drain every time. This value pack includes 12 meticulously crafted dish towels, featuring 6 sleek black and 6 crisp white towels in a classic Dobby weave design. Made from 100% ring-spun cotton, these towels deliver a luxurious touch that goes beyond ordinary kitchen linens. Soft, delicate, and incredibly absorbent, they're designed to make every cleaning task a breeze. Measuring 15 by 25 inches, these towels are the ideal size for all your kitchen needs. Whether you're drying dishes, wiping surfaces, or handling hot cookware, the Utopia kitchen towels provide the perfect combination of softness, durability, and elegance. This kitchen essential transforms can opening from a chore to an effortless task with its innovative single-touch operation and precision engineering. Featuring a Cuisinart quality motor system and the powerful power cut blade, this electric can opener handles any standard-sized can with ease. The sturdy base prevents sliding or tipping, ensuring stability during use. Its elegant chrome accents and sophisticated contours add a touch of style to your kitchen countertop. Convenience is key with the removable activation lever, making cleanup a breeze. Say goodbye to cluttered sinks and ineffective cleaning tools. These sponges combine a scour and microfiber cloth into one powerful cleaning companion. Engineered for durability, these sponges are crafted from high-quality polyester, polyamide, and polyurethane. Unlike typical store-bought scouring pads that wear out quickly, SCRUBIT sponges are built to last. Tough on grime but gentle on your surfaces, they make scrubbing burnt food and stubborn stains a breeze. Completely chemical-free and 100% safe, these sponges offer peace of mind with every clean. Crafted from premium CUS 304 stainless steel, this wall-mounted organizer is built to last, offering waterproof and rust-proof durability that stands up to even the most demanding storage needs. Designed with innovation in mind, the unique triangle buckle and pedal-shaped gear automatically adjust to hold handles of various thicknesses. From brooms and mops to garden tools and umbrellas, this versatile organizer transforms any space, be it your kitchen, garage, closet, or bathroom, into a model of efficiency. These remarkable cloths are more than just a cleaning tool. They're a sustainable lifestyle choice that combines extraordinary functionality with environmental consciousness. Crafted from 30% cotton and 70% biodegradable cellulose wood pulp, sourced from Swedish forests, these dishcloths are a powerhouse of performance. Incredibly absorbent, they can soak up 20 times their weight in liquid and replace up to 25 rolls of paper towels. From kitchen spills to bathroom cleaning, from car maintenance to office surfaces, these versatile cloths do it all.